And ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, I hope everybody's enjoying their scrumptious dinner. I can smell it from way over there. I hope everybody's having a good time. Yes, right now? Well, don't get up, don't get up. We're not done eating yet. This is just for tonight's entertainment. We're going to have a little game while you guys are having your dinner. Is that okay? A little games? You know how I say, when there are games, there are prizes. So I'm going to ask again from table number 1. Who wants to win prizes? Come on. There we go. Sakita, don't be shy. Usually yung accepting they want to win prizes, usually sila yung nagkakananalo eh. At the end of the day, they take home a whole lot of prizes. We're going to have a little game I'd like to call Trivia About the Couple. So let's get to know a little bit more about the couple. This game is free for all. No rules. If you know the answer, just raise your hands. If you're correct, you get the point. Per point, you get a... Ayan, what are we giving away? Parang may nakita nga akong iPhone 16 yata.